Welcome to Kiddie Pathsala family. Happy Independence Day. Short essay on Independence Day. Good morning everyone. I wish you very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August. It is our national festival. It is very important day for us. We got freedom on this day. Our Prime Minister hosts national flag on this day. Everybody sings the national anthem. Independence Day teaches us the power of unity. I love my country very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.